Before we get into today's video, I want to ask if you guys could please subscribe to the channel as it's free, it helps me out a lot, and if you guys don't enjoy my content, you can simply unsubscribe for free as well. Thanks guys. Anyways, on with the video. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel and to my first ever vlog. Today something came in the mail that I've been waiting on for a couple of weeks at this point, so here they are. These are my new set of wheels for the WRX STI. They are raised ZE40 wheels, 18-inch by 8.5, and without further ado, let's open them up and see what they look like. So here are the raised ZE40 wheels. Like I said, these are 18-inch by 8.5 and they are finished in semi-matte black. These are actually replica wheels. They're made in China, but should be alright for what I'm trying to do with them. So now let's just get these wheels installed on the car. Let's have a look at the fitment here. So the front looks just about right. Moving to the back, it's still a bit in. Technically it's not the final fitment yet because the left side is still on jack stands, but yeah, we'll see once they're done installing the other side. Alright, so the car is done, and looking at the fitment, it looks just about right for the front as I expected. And moving to the back, the fitment is much better than before, but you know, could do with a 5mm spacer. It's a bit dark here, so let's move to a brighter area so you can get a better look at how it looks now. Alright, fast forward to the next day. Unfortunately, yesterday after the install, it started raining and just got way too dark to record any videos. But yeah, here we go. It's the next day, the sun is much brighter and you can see the result of the install much better. I really like how the wheels look now. It kind of matches the blue and black theme of the carbon front lip and just makes it look more aggressive in general. Another thing I noticed with this new set of wheels is that the fitment is a lot better than the previous OEM STI wheels. The standard wheels had an ET of 55 if I'm not wrong, and these are 38, so obviously the wheel's gonna be much further out, and it makes the car have a more aggressive stance, I guess. The rears also are closer to the fenders, but a 10mm spacer could make it line up a little bit better with the fender, but it's okay. It already looks a lot better than it did previously. The tires are a bit shinier now because I gave a bit of tire shine just to make it look a bit better. But yeah, so overall pretty happy with how the car looks now, and you know, it looks a lot more aggressive and it has a more stealthy theme, I guess, since it's now black and blue instead of black, blue and gold. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please do leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, do subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, do leave a comment down below. And if there's anything about the video that you want to comment on, whether it be the quality, the flow, etc., don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Alright, that's all for this video guys, thanks for watching.